Morning, everybody. We did those few projects, so I'll just show you what we did, what came about it. So here's the wall, one of the walls we did. Plastered all those lines and then painted. We need another coat of paint though. And we also did the metal. I don't know if you guys seen the metal we did. Put some metal up there because it was just hardy board and it wasn't done very well. And here's the back wall in the garage. So all the lines are done, been painted, but it needs to be painted again. That's the second coat, but we need a third coat on there. Actually started to rain a little bit yesterday. Yeah, looks good. Looks good, guys. I don't know if we showed you the house. I don't know if I showed you the house, the whole house, since we've been vlogging, but I'll give you the look of the property, what it looks like, and at least you'll know what we're dealing with. So there's the house there. So nice house. Still got projects to do though. It's not it's pretty well finished. It's finished inside and everything except for the ceiling. We got to do some top cuts on the ceiling because it's cracked and stuff. But other than that, a few things to do up top. I gotta sand that because it was all chipped. Then we're gonna repaint the top part there, sand that little part over here, right there, and paint the top part the same color as we painted this here, with a waterproofing paint, of course. Then we're gonna do some landscaping here. Just waiting to get the pad. I got a pad that I want to get done. I don't know if you guys can see my water tank over there. I got a pad poured there so we can sit the water tank on there, and then another pad over in the back. I'll show you how in the back. On the garage. Spot beside the garage, extra parking. There's the other side. So in this corner here, we want to put a shed slab, get a slab done and put a shed down there so we can store bikes and stuff like that. We have some bicycles here and some tools. I got tools here. And this is the back of the house. So that's pretty well the house, what it looks like. Anyway, we're gonna go out and do some shopping this morning again. Maybe DIY. Need a couple of rollers and stuff like that. We'll take you along for the ride. See you in a bit. Oh, I forgot. We put a new screen door in too. This screen door was not there before. We just got it in. The guys are gonna come back today and re-seal the side. He didn't have any silicone, so he's done that. And yeah, that's it.
Hey guys, we're going to Mandaue Foam.
Heading to Mandaue Foam. We need a new mirror for the bathroom, so they got a couple of mirrors there. We'll go check them out and bring you along for the ride.
See you later.
Mandaue Foam, bring you inside, show you what's going on. Come on in. Mirrors. Mirrors. Hunting for mirrors. Oh, look at the leather couch. Excuse me. Couch. 50,000.
Nice now?
Oh, oh my God! Yeah, look at this thing, eh?
We
Wow.
have a four-seater of this one. Yeah.
Really?
Oh,
Right.
wow.
Soft, eh? You can get another one like this here to put in the side, on the other side where the window is. Another day. We already bought. Nice couch.
And it's going to leather.
Uh-huh. Real leather, right? I think. Price for the couch.
$10.
What's that?
$1,000.
50,000.
Or 50.
1,000. I'd take it for 1,000.
Maybe they have sale.
Mirrors. This is what we need. Oh, there's a one here. Right?
Mm. Yeah.
1,400. Was that it?
Mm-hmm.
You want to hold this, and I'll get the mirror.
Okay.
So what do you think?
That's a
oh,
big-
oh my God, that's a big mirror, eh? Now you really see yourself in there.
Nah, you don't need that big.
Huh? That's gonna be okay for the bathroom.
Wow. Yeah.
But is that the size?
Mm-hmm.
60 by 90.
Yeah.
Is that what I needed?
Yeah.
60 by 100, I said, eh?
60 by 80.
No, this is
That you
60, 90.
Oh.
I said a 60 by 100 I wanted. But,
Oh, yeah.
but 90 is close, yeah?
Mm.
Just check. Recheck. $62, yeah, by 100. So yeah, 60 by 90, that's perfect. That'll work.
Yeah.
It's good.
This one is 120, Debbie.
120.
90 by 120.
120 by 120. Too big.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I wonder if
They have
that.
noise ko on the canvas lagi.
What?
Nice canvas.
Oh yes, very nice. Let me put that there for a second. We'll look.
Wait, it will
No,
slide?
it won't slide.
Ah, okay.
It's not gonna slide. It's not a sliding, steepy sliding.
Sure?
Here, put it over here then. It can't slide. It's impossible to slide. Yeah, nice canvases, yes. Very nice. This is where we should have came to buy some of our photos.
Mm-hmm.
How come we didn't come here?
Hoy, need ko ano for our kanang sana photos.
No, not that. Oh, there's our photos that we have though.
Yeah. That wall art that we have in the bedroom is
Yeah. Actually, this would be. It's we need something like maybe like that, but longer would be nice in the bedroom. You know,
uh-huh.
like this here, but not
A long one.
not straight up and down. You
Yeah,
know,
yeah, yeah,
like
I know.
horizontal.
Mm-hmm. Like this lagi pero long.
You hear that? Something about
Toyota man.
parking? Eh?
Toyota.
Toyota?
Mm. Why are they all vertical? Eh? They don't have like a horizontal one.
Yeah, I know.
And it's not that big also.
This one is not that big, no.
Would have been nice. It looks doomed though.
Yeah, it looks
Doom.
like it looks like doom, is right?
Yeah.
It's too bad, like it wasn't a picture of like maybe the mountains of the Philippines or something. Or...
This one. But it's one piece lagi. One.
Upstairs at Mandaue.
How much is their outdoor furniture? They have
Not really what I want. It's all plastic. It's not exactly what I'm looking for. I like the other one that we seen at at Wilcon. It's not much nicer. Excuse me. Sorry. Ah, here's where we can look for a cabinet there. Here's some cabinets here. You wanted a cabinet? Here. You ordered one? From Mandaue? 629. Huh?
We looked at it, man.
Did we?
It's very expensive.
Okay. Okay, I don't see any medicine cabinets up here.
That was our one. And nice.
That's ours, isn't it? Same thing as what we have. That's what we have for
The
walnut color, yeah. The TV stand.
that's it. We should.
Ah, yeah, their cabinets are very nice. They're kitchen cabinets. Mm-hmm. Wow. $15,600. I guess it goes with the bottom and the top.
The bottom.
Hey?
Bottom.
There's the bottom is over there too. They have a bottom over there. This is a different one. The bottom is over there. They're nice. Same thing. It's the same one. 15,000 for the bottom and the top. That's not for kitchen though.
These ones are. These are not one. They're just like
Uh-huh. Okay, let's go down. Okay, we're gonna head downstairs. Go get the mirror and that's it. Is there a price on it? You put that in the corner where the window is.
nice.
Get,
Like that.
uh-huh. Oh, it's 1,000, but no decoration.
Okay.
Is
But-
it? It's here.
Those are the description that they put.
Okay. How much is it? Is there a price there? Okay.
No price.
Yeah, there's a price on the side. Oh, that's a code.
No, that's code.
Uh-huh. Awesome. What did Anne pay for hers? This one seems to be a little bit more, I don't know. Not really. I don't know.
And silver.
Yeah, well, get him to do one like that. Where do you pay this thing? B. Savers Depot.
Going home. We're done. Getting our pipes.
That's it.
Well, they have other hardware. Electrical, plumbing.
Should be a dinner lane. It's a 30 lane, I bet you.
Yeah, it is. It's going that. It's going
Uh-huh.
left.
Uh-huh. It is.
Kalalabi. Tor.
Oh, fuck, he sees me there. He's a fucking idiot or what? Fucking dum-dum. That's it, everyone. There's the wall all done. The end of the day, finished painting the wall there. We finished painting the wall over here. So that's all done. And then we'll continue probably tomorrow to do up that area there. That's it for our day. We'll leave it there and we're out.